Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Cost, and today we have a 2017 Toyota Yaris Ascent, stock reference number 5600. The shape runs from the 8th month 2011 through to the 1st month 2020. It has a 2NZ 1.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1NZ 1.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear and the front ends. We have the right hand rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right front door has no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard has no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, standard heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.